In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through how to start a fresh Google Meet and fine-tune your audio and video so you look and sound your best. I'll describe where things are, what they do, and a few quick tips along the way so you can join with confidence. Begin on the Google Meet landing page. Look for the option labeled Start a New Meeting and select it. This brings you into the meeting experience, where you'll typically see a self-preview, your microphone and camera controls, and a few icons along the bottom or top bar, depending on your browser and screen size. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the controls appear. If your browser asks for permission to use the camera or microphone, allowing that ensures Meet can access your devices for the session. Next, click on Audio Settings. This option is usually accessible from the controls near the microphone icon, and it opens a focused panel for your sound. Here, choose the correct microphone if you have more than one connected, like a built-in laptop mic and a USB mic. Speak normally and watch for the input level indicator to move. That confirms Meet is detecting your voice. Then confirm your speakers or headphones are set as the output device so you can hear others clearly. If you notice echo or feedback, switch to headphones, lower your speaker volume slightly, or move the mic a bit farther from the speakers. These small adjustments can dramatically improve clarity for everyone on the call. Now, click on Settings. This opens the full settings window, which gives you organized tabs for deeper controls. It's a great place to confirm that the audio choices you made are saved and to see all available options in one place without hunting through different menus. From there, click on Video Settings. Select the camera you want to use, especially if you have both an internal webcam and an external one. You can also choose your send resolution and receive resolution. Higher resolutions look sharper but use more bandwidth. If your network is unstable, dropping to a lower resolution can keep things smooth and prevent choppy video. If your image appears dark or grainy, try enabling any low light or auto-adjust features available, or increase the light in front of you rather than behind you. Good lighting helps. Meet deliver a clearer picture without stressing your connection. That's it. You've started a new meeting, checked audio, opened full settings, and adjusted video. With these basics in place, you're ready for a reliable, professional-looking call.